Hey everyone, welcome back to Hammad Solver. Today we're diving into one of the fundamental concepts of programming, the if-else statement. Whether you're just starting out or need a refresher, this video is for you. So, let's get started. An if-else statement is a control flow statement that allows your program to make decisions based on conditions. It's like giving your code the ability to think and react differently depending on the situation. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you have a simple scenario. You want to check if a number is positive or negative. Here's how you can do that in code. Now let's break down each part. Condition. The condition inside the if statement is a comparison or logical test. Here, number 0 checks if the value of number is greater than 0. If block. If the condition is true, the code inside the if block runs. In our example, it prints the number is positive. Else block. If the condition is false, the code inside the else block runs instead. Here it prints the number is negative. This way, you can control the flow of your program based on different conditions. Let's look at a more complex example where we have multiple conditions. We'll check if a number is positive, negative, or 0. In this example, we introduce the elif statement, which stands for else if. This allows us to check multiple conditions sequentially. Here's what happens. The if statement checks if number is greater than 0. If the if condition is false, the elif statement checks if number is less than 0. If both the if and elif conditions are false, the else block runs, which means the number must be 0. Using elif lets you handle more than 2 possible outcomes, making your code more flexible. Now, let's see a practical application of if-else statements. Suppose you're building a simple grading system. Based on a student's score, you want to assign a grade. In this example, the if-else statements check the score and print the corresponding grade. Notice how the conditions are checked in order from top to bottom. The first condition that is true will determine the output, and the rest will be skipped. This is a simple yet powerful way to make decisions in your code. To summarize, if-else statements are essential for controlling the flow of your program based on conditions. They allow you to make your code responsive and intelligent. Use if to specify a condition. Use else to provide an alternative when the if condition is false. Use elif to check multiple conditions in sequence. Practice using if-else statements in different scenarios to get comfortable with them. And remember, the more you code, the better you'll understand these concepts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Hammad Solver for more Python tutorials. See you in the next video.